Today, we're diving into how you can get started with Dropbox Business, and we're going to explore everything you need to know to optimize your workflow, manage your files, collaborate with your team, and keep your business running smoothly. Dropbox is more than just a cloud storage platform. It's designed to help businesses and teams collaborate, share, and manage files efficiently. If you're familiar with the personal version of Dropbox, you'll notice some powerful features in Dropbox Business that allow you to manage not only your files but your whole business. With Dropbox Business, you get added capabilities such as team management tools, file version history, security features, and advanced document sharing. You can also work with integrations that make your work easier and more efficient. It's not just about uploading and storing files. It's about streamlining your business processes. Now, let's take a look at Dropbox Business pricing. Dropbox offers different plans depending on the size of your team and the needs of your business. The three main plans are: in addition, Dropbox Business allows you to try their services for free for 30 days. This way, you can test out the features and see if it's the right fit for your business needs. Business Plan. This plan is ideal for smaller teams or startups. You get 5 terabytes of storage, excellent syncing technology, and tools to collaborate seamlessly. It includes up to 3 signature requests per month, access to the admin console, and file recovery for 180 days. Essentials Plan. For teams that need more storage and customization, the Advanced Plan. It includes everything in the standard plan plus advanced admin controls, as well as the ability to integrate third-party apps and enhanced security features. Enterprise Plan. This plan is suited for large organizations that need advanced security and support features. It includes custom app integrations, enhanced security protocols, and priority customer support. To get started with Dropbox Business, first, visit Dropbox.com and navigate to the Business section. Here, you'll find several pricing plans tailored to different team sizes and needs. If you're uncertain which plan is best for your business, you can always take advantage of the free trial to test the features before making a commitment. Once you've selected the plan that suits your organization, you'll need to create an account for your team. Follow the simple setup process, which will guide you through adding team members, configuring settings, and setting permissions for each user. After completing these steps, you'll be all set to start using Dropbox Business. Once your account is ready, you can begin uploading documents, creating folders to organize your files, and sharing them with team members. Dropbox Business provides a seamless and secure way to collaborate on everything from presentations and spreadsheets to images and videos. But the platform offers much more than just file storage. Let's explore some of the key features that Dropbox Business offers to enhance your workflow and productivity. One of the standout features is advanced file versioning. Dropbox automatically keeps track of changes made to documents, so you can easily revert to previous versions if needed, which is particularly useful for teams working on collaborative projects. You can also create shared folders for specific teams or departments, making it easy to manage permissions and ensure that everyone has access to the files they need. Another feature that sets Dropbox Business apart is the integration with a wide range of third-party apps, such as Slack, Trello, and Zoom. This enables your team to streamline communication and project management without switching between multiple platforms. Plus, Dropbox Business offers robust security features like two-factor authentication, ensuring that your files are protected against unauthorized access. For teams that frequently work with large files, Dropbox Business provides file synchronization across all devices, allowing users to access their documents from anywhere, whether they are in the office or on the go. Whether you're sharing reports, collaborating on designs, or managing project timelines, Dropbox Business has the tools to make your team more efficient, organized, and secure. One of the primary uses of Dropbox Business is efficient file storage, but its capabilities extend far beyond just storing documents. It's designed to help you organize your files in a way that suits the needs of your team, making collaboration and management more streamlined. With Dropbox Business, you can easily upload files. Adding files to Dropbox Business is straightforward. You can simply drag and drop files from your desktop, or use the upload button to select and upload multiple files at once. Whether you're adding documents, images, or presentations, the process is quick and easy, ensuring that you never lose track of important information. One of the best ways to keep your files organized is by creating folders that are tailored to your business's structure. You can organize documents by project, department, or client, ensuring that everything is logically categorized for easy access. For instance, if you run a marketing agency, you could create separate folders for each campaign, containing all the relevant assets like graphics, contracts, and strategy documents, helping your team stay organized and on top of deadlines. Dropbox Business makes collaboration simple by allowing you to share files and entire folders with both your team members and clients. This feature enables you to work seamlessly with colleagues, even when you're not in the same location. You can customize permissions to control who can access the files and what they can do with them. For example, you can give some users view-only access, while others can have editing rights, ensuring that sensitive documents are secure, yet easily accessible to those who need them. Beyond these basics, Dropbox Business also includes features for commenting on files, keeping track of file history, and syncing across multiple devices. This makes it easy for your team to stay up to date on any changes, even if they're working remotely or on the go. Whether you're collaborating on a proposal with clients or sharing marketing materials within your team, Dropbox Business helps you keep everything organized, accessible, and secure. With the ability to work collaboratively in real time, your team can maintain productivity, while ensuring that everyone has the most up-to-date files at their fingertips. Dropbox Business makes it easy to share files with clients and team members. There are a few ways to do this. You can generate a shareable link for any file or folder in Dropbox and send it to your clients. This allows them to view the file, download it, or even comment on it depending on the permissions you set. Shared folders. If you have a group of files that need to be accessed regularly by your team or clients, you can create a shared folder. The benefit of a shared folder is that everyone involved gets access to the most up-to-date versions of the files. Dropbox Business is not just about file storage. It's also about managing your team effectively. With the admin console, you can add or remove users, easily manage who has access to the business account, add new team members and remove those who no longer need access, control who can access specific files or folders, and define the level of access they have, view only, editor, etc. Keep track of what your team is doing within Dropbox. You can see what files have been shared, edited, or commented on, which helps in managing your workflow. Security is critical when it comes to storing sensitive business information, and Dropbox Business offers robust security features such as file encryption. All files are encrypted, both in transit and at rest, ensuring your data is always safe. You can enable 2FA for your team, adding an extra layer of security for accessing Dropbox Business. With Dropbox Business, you can recover deleted files for up to 180 days. This is especially helpful if you accidentally delete something important, so you can roll back changes if needed. This is a useful feature if a mistake is made or if you need to retrieve an older version of a file. Dropbox Business seamlessly integrates with a wide variety of tools that your team might already be using, making it even easier to manage your workflow and collaborate efficiently. Some of the most popular integrations include Google Workspace, Docs, Sheets, Slides. If your team uses Google's suite of productivity tools, Dropbox offers full integration with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This means you can open, edit, and save these documents directly from Dropbox, without having to switch between different platforms. This integration helps streamline collaboration by allowing multiple users to work on documents simultaneously while keeping everything synchronized in one central location. Dropbox also works seamlessly with Microsoft Office, allowing you to edit Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and PowerPoint presentations directly from Dropbox. Whether you're making updates to a report or preparing a presentation, all your changes are automatically saved, ensuring that everyone on your team has access to the latest version of the file. If you use Slack for team communication, Dropbox integrates smoothly with it, allowing you to share files instantly within channels or direct messages. This makes it easy to send large files or documents without clogging up your messaging system, ensuring that important resources are always accessible to your team when needed. With Zoom being a popular tool for virtual meetings, Dropbox integrates well by allowing you to share files within meetings or save meeting recordings directly to Dropbox. This ensures that meeting materials are stored securely and easily accessible after the discussion. Integration with Salesforce allows you to attach important documents to your CRM records, so you can keep all your sales-related files, such as contracts, proposals, and client correspondence, organized in one place. This can help improve sales processes by ensuring that your team has easy access to the documents they need while working on client accounts. If your team uses Asana to manage tasks and projects, Dropbox integration with Asana lets you attach files directly to tasks, so you can keep all related resources in one place. Whether you're working on project plans, timelines, or deliverables, you can easily link files and share them with teammates as tasks progress. By integrating these popular tools with Dropbox, you can create a streamlined workflow where all your documents, communications, and project management details are accessible from one central platform. This integration saves time by reducing the need to switch between multiple apps and ensures that everything your team needs is in one place, improving both efficiency and collaboration across your organization. Also, platform provides tools to streamline the handling of e-signatures, thanks to its integration with DocuSign. This feature allows businesses to send, sign, and track important documents like contracts, agreements, and invoices without the need for physical paperwork. You can request signatures and keep everything organized and secure directly from the platform, making the entire process more efficient. If you need a document signed, Dropbox Business allows you to send it for e-signature through DocuSign, without ever leaving the platform. Whether it's an employee contract, a vendor agreement, or a purchase order, you can send it out for signing with just a few clicks. DocuSign's integration allows you to track the document's status, giving you real-time updates on who has signed and who still needs to review or approve the document. This feature eliminates the back and forth of sending physical copies and waiting for signatures, saving valuable time. When you need someone to sign a document, Dropbox Business makes it simple to request signatures directly. Instead of manually printing, signing, and scanning documents, you can initiate the signature request directly within the platform. Once you've uploaded your document, Simply specify who needs to sign and where, and DocuSign will handle the rest. The ability to manage signatures in this way speeds up the signing process, especially for documents that require approval from multiple parties. You can easily monitor the progress and ensure that all signatures are obtained before moving forward. Dropbox Paper is another great feature that enhances collaboration within your team. It's a collaborative workspace where you can write notes and documents, create and edit documents that your team can contribute to in real time. You can insert files from Dropbox directly into Paper, making it easy to organize everything in one document. Use Paper to create checklists, assign tasks, and set deadlines, helping you stay on top of your to-do list. Accidents happen, files get deleted, and things get changed. But don't worry. With Rewind, you can revert a folder or account back to a previous state, which is especially useful if something important is accidentally deleted or overwritten. Dropbox Rewind gives you the power to roll back your entire account, or just specific folders to a previous version. You can rewind up to 180 days, ensuring that you don't lose any critical data. Dropbox Business is all about collaboration. Your team can work together on documents, share information, and communicate seamlessly. Team members can comment on specific files, providing feedback or instructions without having to send emails or make phone calls. You can assign tasks to team members to ensure everything is on track. As mentioned before, you can create shared folders that give everyone access to the same files, making collaboration effortless. It's an all-in-one collaboration and team management tool. With features like advanced file sharing, team management, robust security, e-signatures, and integrations with your favorite tools, Dropbox Business is built to help your business grow and function smoothly. In addition, Dropbox file recovery features give you peace of mind knowing that you can restore lost files from the past 180 days.